In this video, I'll show you where to find promo deals for Fingerhut. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and sub to the channel. In saying that, let's just crank straight into the video. All right, open up any website, go to Google, and now type in promo code deals for Fingerhut, and then click search. And now in the Google search results, we got these third-party sites like Join Honey, Coupon Follow, 10% off, got Worth the Penny, Real Tell Me Not, etc., etc. You can check out any one of these third-party sites and to enjoy discounts, but just be mindful these codes do expire as well, and also they do change daily or weekly, so depending when you're watching this video, there might be more savings or less savings. So for this demonstration, I want to go to Coupon Follow because I find this a very good website to get discount and promo codes. So now I'm inside at Coupon Follow. If I scroll down, you can look at all these different deals that they have on offer. So you got take for 4% off your purchase, 10% off, 20% off, 65% off, 80% off. So you can check out any one of these. Simply just click onto it. So if I want to take 20% off, I'm going to click onto that link there. Here's the code, so copy the code. Now paste this code at the checkout section of Fingerhut to enjoy 20% off any purchase. Also, you can simply click on redeem at Fingerhut and that will redirect you there as well.